Hello students, can you apply Coulomb's law when one charge is at rest and another is in motion? Well, basically we all know that Coulomb's law is applicable only when charges are at rest, and of course the charges are point charges. Now my question is, if one charge is moving with some velocity such that it is increasing, this means it is under acceleration and moving towards another charge which is at rest, then can we use Coulomb's law? Can we use Coulomb's law to find out the force? Or if we cannot use Coulomb's law, how can we find out the force which is exerted by that moving or accelerated charge on that particular charge at rest? The simple answer is yes, we can still use Coulomb's law because we don't have any option. Now, if we consider that the acceleration or the velocity of the charge particle is of course very less than speed of light, and the distance between the charge particle is not very big, in that case we can still use Coulomb's law and we can find out force at a particular point of time. And that point of time will be sometime later, so that the particular charge which is accelerating or moving with some velocity towards another charge is closer. So if the distance between the two charge particle is very high, in that case we cannot use Coulomb's law practically. But if the distance is small, then we can use Coulomb's law. Still we can use Coulomb's law and find out the force acting between the two charge particle, one at rest, another is accelerating, by finding the instantaneous force. Now here we have to understand one thing. Any charge which is accelerating can produce electromagnetic waves, and these electromagnetic waves will also exert a force on the charge which is at rest. So we have to be very, very clear about it, that of course when the charge is moving, there are electromagnetic waves produced because there is electromagnetic field. Along with electric magnetic field will also be produced. So to keep things very simple, we will consider that if the speed of the charge particle or acceleration is less compared to the speed of the light, and the distance between the charge particle is less, then of course we can find Coulomb's law using instantaneous force at a given point of time. Thank you.